Hey you guys, so it's Keoshia and I'm back for another Savvy Saturday. If you like my Savvy Saturday videos, please give them a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. Without further ado, let's just get into today's video. You guys, as I said, we are about to get into April's budget. I have already done the monthly budget. If you missed that, then you can go back to my Savvy Saturday playlist for 2022 and check it out. But today we are about to budget the first paycheck that I received in May. We're a little late budgeting, but you know, it is what it is. So we about to get into this spreadsheet, you guys. And your girl already done busted her budget for April. We're just not even gonna talk about it. We're not even gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about it. Okay, so as you can see from the spreadsheet here, we have April up, so I anticipate making about $4,500 in the month of April, and some of that is actually carried over money. But so far I've already received $2,534.97. And so I budgeted for my gas bill, my water bill, my AT&T cell phone bill, internet, alarm system, car insurance, and my book club. And we have paid $600 towards debt. I paid PayPal today, and then we'll pay Citibank and Best Buy on their due dates. They automatically draft that money out. And then we've already transferred over $500 to car maintenance, because if you guys don't know and don't watch my vlog, somebody did side swipe, hit and run my car and messed up my side view mirror on the passenger side. So I had to get that fixed, and then I had to get some brakes. Thank goodness it didn't cost me as much money as I thought it would be, but even though it didn't, I actually bust my budget when I went on like a little impromptu shopping spree with my friend. So we still spent most of that money. But anyway, I only have to put $793.82 in there to get it back up to $1,100. So I will be back fully funded in my car maintenance fund by the end of this month, even though I had to get my car fixed and get brakes. And so our cash inflow is the same. We did $200 in both gas and groceries, personal spending, dining out, household, Jalen, and date night. So what did we do that was unbudgeted? So I spent $100 on an earring. Okay, it wasn't, well, the earring was actually $80 because it's like 18 years ago. I don't know. Anyway, it was expensive. It was $100. It was actually $80, and I gave the guy a $20 tip because if you guys don't know, I have an earring right here in my tragus, and I took out the actual diamond one I had because I had to have an MRI, and I didn't know I shouldn't have taken it out because I couldn't get it back in. So I ended up going back to the person who pierced it and asked him could he put the earring back in. But I always wanted a hoop right there and not necessarily a stud because it works better with my headphones. So I did end up getting a hoop earring. So if you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but I got a hoop earring. And yes, I paid for that. And then I went to Kate Spade and bought the cutest little purse with a wallet to go with it for spring and summer. I think it is so dope. It will be out in a luxury haul soon, so be looking out for that. And then I went to the perfume outlet because I need to needed to update my perfume game. Okay, the only perfume I wear right now is Gucci by Gucci, the original, I believe. I have a pop of a picture of the bottle right here. And then I bought two more perfumes. I think I bought a Ralph Lauren and a Chloe. Something like that. I don't know. Alicia helped me. So y'all know I'm not good at this. So Alicia helped me with that. So that was unbudgeted too. So yeah. That leaves me with $504. Actually, that doesn't. We're going to go ahead and do this right here. And put that there. And then so I check register. Y'all going to be able to see all my little stuff. It is what it is. Let's do this. And I did actually buy this stuff on my credit card because you guys know I am trying to up my what do you call it, my credit score to 800. I'm like at 780 something, so we're trying to get that together. What was that? 171.58. 171.58. All right, I know a lot of you guys are like, why are you not going ahead and then budgeting all this money out? It's because I have something that I think is gonna come up, but I'm not sure yet. So I'm just gonna leave that money in there and we will worry about it at the end of the month and see how that goes. I really think I messed up my budget somewhere, but I don't think I did. I kind of found what I did last month, but I'm still confused, so we're just gonna leave it as it is. I told you guys my budget is not always perfect. Sometimes I mess it up, sometimes I can't remember what I did or what had happened, and so that's what it be sometimes. So that is what was unbudgeted, unfortunately. And then I also spent some money out of my sinking funds. So let's see here. Of course, I told you guys I went to Jim Birkin. I spent $774.89. Only about $160 of that was actually the mirror that the people broke. My brakes was like $528. Like, it was ridiculous, but at least I know my brakes will not fail on me, okay? And then I spent $50 at spare time because Jalen is turning 16 next month and she wants to have a party at the bowling alley. So I paid the deposit to have her party at the bowling alley. And then $66 I bought Jalen some jewelry. You guys saw it. It was actually on my last vlog, actually yesterday. Yeah, it was on yesterday's vlog, so you can check that out if you want to see what I bought her. Then I did do some dining out. I spent $48 at Half Shell and it was so good. And then we went to Noel's. Then I did some personal spending. I bought this shirt from the outlet when I bought those two, the stuff from Kate Spade and the stuff from the perfume outlet. They had another little place and I just used my personal spending money on that. So that was $59.40. And then I also went to H&M and $52.79. And back in March, I went to TJ Maxx and spent $65.98, and those came out of my sinking funds. So if we look at my sinking funds as a whole, this is sort of where we are. So cart maintenance will be back up to its full potential at the end of this month. Next month, I think we'll start working on Life Happens, if I'm not mistaken. Home maintenance has $387, which I think I'm going to spend some money in home maintenance today, but we will see. Birthday has $313, but like I think I'll have like $100 and something left to pay on her birthday. Her dad's gonna help me pay half, and then I have to buy her birthday presents. Clothing, summer fund, Mari, Jalen are fully funded along with my mom. I only have $32 left. I know I just be spending up some money, y'all. We have $105 left in camping. I need to spike that back up in May. And then YouTube has $883. You guys know I'm saving that to possibly pay for my closet in my bedroom. So maybe one day. And then Etsy $5. And then Christmas $436. So yes, that is what my sinking funds are looking like. And so yeah, that's what April's looking like. That's what I had going on so far in the month of April. Can't really talk about how the credit card thing is working yet because I literally only spent one thing on the credit card that had to do with what do you call it, with my cash envelopes. Also wanted to say that I decided not to use my credit card for my what do you call it, gas, because that is actually, if you don't know, and I just learned that if you use a credit card at the gas pump, it actually charges you more. So for instance, when I went to go get gas the other day, it was like $3.89 for regular, but if you spent your credit card to get gas, it made you paying $4.04 a gallon. So it's a significant difference between $3.89 and $4.04. So I'm going to just use my debit card instead, or I may go in there and get the cash out. I don't know yet, but I definitely will not be using my credit card because who's finna pay any more for gas than they have to? Not I, not I, not I. Okay, so that's basically what's going on with the budget. Oh, I can show you my cash envelope details here. So like I said, in personal spending, I spent $59.40. In dining out, I spent $48.32. So these are the available balance that I have left to spend. I have $15 left in personal spending and $51.68 left in dining out. All right, so let's move on to the cash envelope stuffing. All right, you guys, we're back for the envelope stuffing portion of the video. So we're currently going to update our cash envelopes. So let's go ahead and do that. So in personal spending, I have spent some money and now I only have $15 left in personal spending. I did go shopping with my friend impromptu and I spent some money, so I have $15 left that's what it's there for. Sometimes I feel bad, but then other times I'll be like, it is what it is. And then I also spent some money in dining out, so we only have $51 left in dining out. So we have $20, $40, $51 left in dining out. Okay. And then in everything else, I haven't spent any money whatsoever. I did spend some money in fuel. I forgot I spent $57.01. So these are 120. Let's see, 57. So it'll be 58. That'll leave me $2. 24, yep, $2. So now I have left in the fuel. I forgot I spent that fuel money. I need to update my budget because I told you guys I didn't. So we have 120, 40, $142. $142 in fuel. Household, we didn't spend anything, date night or Jalen. So that's an update on the cash envelopes. And then moving on to my sinking funds account, we are going to go through and see. So emergency fund is still the same. So it's travel. So it's vacation, car maintenance. So I did end up spending money on my car, and it leaves me with $807. So I'm actually gonna have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I might have to get some more hundreds, you guys. That's right, 7. So $807 is what we're gonna have in car maintenance. And by the end of the month, it'll be back up to its full potential. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $805, $6, $7. Getting your car fixed, you guys, is expensive, unfortunately, but it's done now. Same amount as if life happens. We haven't spent anything in home maintenance. We did spend some money out of birthdays, so now we should have $313 left in birthdays. So just put this back. And Jalen's birthday is next month, so this will most likely be gone real soon because her birthday is always more expensive than my son's because she just likes more stuff than he does. So we have 1, 2, 310, 11, 12, $13 in birthday. Okay, and then clothing, summer fun, Amari and Jalen are the same. I have spent almost all my money. I have like $32 left in mine, which that's what it's there for. I feel guilty sometimes, but then sometimes I don't. Sometimes it is what it is. We have $20, $31, $32 left in my fund. And then my mom's is still the same. Okay, camping, we have $105 left. I do need to beef this back up because I want to plan another camping trip soon. So I need to get on that. Christmas is still the same. And then my savings challenges are still the same. So those are the cash envelope stuffing and update for the first paycheck in April. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's Savvy Saturday video. If you like these types of videos, please make sure you give them a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. And I will see you guys in the next Savvy Saturday. Bye.